Hello there YouTube, I hope that your day has been going great, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add sources to Cydia. So, if you do not have Cydia and you're on either iOS 11.2 through iOS 11.3.1, go ahead and check out my past video where I showed you how to get the jailbreak for Electra that supports iOS 11.2 through iOS 11.3.1. Like I said, and before I even do anything, I just really gotta give credit where it's due, and that fantastic intro that you've been seeing lately was actually not made by me. It was made by APPLEPRO. I'm gonna be leaving his YouTube in the description below because he certainly deserves it. That is a great intro, and I probably couldn't have made one better. It would have been absolutely terrible, but go check out his channel. And onto the video. So once you have Cydia and you have been jailbroken, if you're able to, go ahead and launch Cydia, and then you can see I have a couple that I've already added, but I'm just going to be getting my sources from a website. And what you can do is you can actually go ahead and copy and paste. So go ahead and just drag and then go ahead and copy. And this is, I'm actually going to be adding Coolstar's jailbreak source for Cydia. We're going to go ahead and just refresh that. We're going to click edit, add, go ahead and double tap this, select all, and then paste. And as you can see, the whole thing is in there. Now add source. That may not be a valid source actually. It seems like it's not a valid source. So maybe I copied it wrong. No, it's just not a valid source apparently. So we're just gonna copy a different one. This is the Cydia HBang resource. So go ahead and highlight that, copy. Go ahead, go back into Cydia. Again, hit edit in the top right hand corner, hit add, double tap in the text box, select all, and then once you have that, go ahead and hit paste, add source. It'll verify the URL, and then this will happen. And as you can see, it's reloading the data. Return to Cydia, and as you can tell, I have a new source, the Cydia HBang.ws. But I hope that you liked this video, and if you did, as always, make sure that you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, peace out.